Ever wondered why wealth seems to slip through your fingers? No matter how hard you try, you work hard, you save a little, but that big goal of being rich feels like it's getting further away, not closer. It's like you're playing a game, but you don't know the rules and everyone else seems to be winning. What if I told you that it's not about luck? It's not because you're not working hard enough. There are specific hidden traps keeping millions from financial freedom. Today, we're diving into 10 surprising reasons you're not rich yet and what you can do about it. The first reason you're not rich is probably the most expensive mistake you're making right now: not investing early. Person A starts investing just $100 a month at age 20. Person B waits until 30 to invest $200 a month. By age 60, person A will have vastly more wealth. Every single day you wait, you are literally throwing away thousands of dollars. The second reason, you're focused on working hard, not working smart. You can be the hardest working fast food employee putting in 80 hours a week, but you will never out-earn a skilled software developer who works 40 hours from their laptop. Coding, digital marketing, sales, video editing, AI integration. These skills are money printing machines, and you can learn many of them online for free. You might not be rich because deep down you have a poor money mindset. If you grew up hearing money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy, your brain has been programmed to sabotage your success. You subconsciously believe having money is bad, so whenever you start to get some, you find a way to get rid of it. Wealthy people see money as a tool, a resource for creating freedom, opportunity, and impact. You need to do a full system reset on your financial beliefs. The fourth reason, complete lack of financial education. We spend over a decade learning history and algebra, but nobody teaches us how to manage money. You wouldn't try to fly a plane without lessons, so why are you navigating the complex world of finance with zero training? Not understanding basics like budgeting, debt, taxes, and investing means you're paying more in fees, more in interest, and more in taxes than you need to, while earning less on your savings. The fifth reason, your fear of taking calculated risks. You've been told to play it safe, but playing it safe is one of the riskiest financial strategies there is. Inflation silently eats away at your savings every year. The person who avoids all risk guarantees they will never achieve significant wealth. Building wealth requires smart, calculated risks. Wealthy people don't avoid risk. They manage it through research and educated chances with high probability of paying off. The sixth reason, you're not leveraging your network. You think you can build wealth alone, but your network is your net worth. Every major opportunity, a better job, an investment deal, a business partner, a mentor, almost always comes through another person. You need to actively build relationships. Go to events, join communities, reach out to people you admire, offer value first. Your next million-dollar idea could be one conversation away. The seventh reason, you're spending before you save. The second your paycheck hits, you pay everyone else before the most important person, yourself. The rich have a radically different approach. They pay themselves first. 10%, 20%, whatever they can, automatically goes to investments before any bills are paid. Set up automatic transfers the day you get paid. That way you're not tempted to spend it, and you build wealth on autopilot. The eighth reason, you're chasing trends instead of value. You see a meme stock or new crypto everyone's talking about and get massive FOMO, throwing money at it without understanding what you're buying. This isn't investing, it's gambling. Truly wealthy people don't chase hype, they invest in value. Solid companies with long track records. They understand building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. They're looking for reliable 8 to 10% returns compounded over decades, which creates massive fortunes. The ninth reason, underestimating multiple income streams. You have one job, one source of income. What happens if you get laid off or your industry gets disrupted? Every wealthy person has multiple income streams. If one dries up, they have several others to support them. It's the ultimate financial safety net. Start building your second, third, and fourth income streams now. Even an extra $500 monthly from a side hustle can be invested and grow into a fortune over time. Finally, the 10th reason, you have no clear financial goals. If I asked your exact financial target and deadline, could you answer? If not, you're wandering aimlessly. Saying, "I want to be rich" isn't a goal, it's a vague wish. You need specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, time-bound, smart goals. This gives you a clear target, a roadmap, and lets you track progress. Writing down goals and reviewing them daily makes them real and holds you accountable. There you have it, 10 shocking truths holding you back. Now you know the traps, so you can actively avoid them. You have the blueprint most people will never see. Don't just watch and go back to old habits. Pick just one of these points and take action today. Set up that transfer, research a high-income skill, write down one specific goal. Which reason surprised you most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more life-changing insights. We rate every comment and want to help each other get rich.